What is going on, guys? Dwayne here, and welcome on in to Gibson's Beard Adventures. Hey, I have got something cool. I got my first package of 2021, and it's going to be awesome. Why? Because it is from Ruddy Mail Grooming Company. Now, I've done a previous unboxing, but I haven't done a review yet on Ruddy Mail. I'm not exactly sure why, but I just haven't. Previously, he was Ruddy Mail Beard Co. But now he is Ruddy Mail Grooming, and there's been some labeling changes, some style changes. Absolutely love the artwork. Looking on the website at everything that's on there, it was just fantastic. But I have a certain scent, the first scent that I ever ordered from Ruddy Mail that I absolutely love, and I've been wanting to go ahead and get it back because I gave my old one away because I knew I was going to be getting some more. So I ordered a trio from a 50% off sale of this scent. I'm going to show you here in just a second, just bear with me. And we're going to get into it. Everything's nicely wrapped. Pull everything out here right quick. Right. Nothing else in there. And we got the invoice. Oh my gosh, that is... Hold on, y'all. I gotta show you all this. Look at this. Look at the artwork on this oil. By the way, I got the Headmaster, which is a collaboration with Dan C. That is freaking... Oh man, that is some awesome artwork. I love that. Dude, Jimmy. Excellent. Scent profile on this is vanilla, coffee, leather, and bergamot. Absolutely love it. Now, what's different from last time is last time I got the summer butter, but this time I got the Ruddy Balm and the Ruddy butter. And I can't wait to dig into this. Now, I have not tried his butter or balm yet, so I'm super excited to do so. Give you another look at that. That's the butter right there. Excited to be able to try these out. Oh, it's got the little tab thing on there, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and pull that safety seal off. Oh my. Oh man, I love that scent. You can look there. Some nice looking butter. I'd say it's about a medium. It's nice, it's soft, nice and soft. Alright, now let's take a look at this balm here. As I said, I absolutely love the artwork on here. That goat is just awesome. Yeah, now beforehand, the Headmaster was called the Goat. If you want to see what that bottle looks like, you can go back to my previous unboxing of Ruddy Mail. Or you can check out some of the stop motion stuff I've done of the Sheriff and the Gunslinger, because the Sheriff is played by the bottle of the Goat. You just have to watch it to see. It's really nice. I'll make sure to post the links down in the description, or I might even put a little card up here. I don't know yet. Ooh, yes, same strength. Love that. Nice balm. Oh yeah, I'm gonna love using this. And my first review of 2021 will be this Ruddy Mail trio. And about a week or so, test it out, use it at work, and have a great old time doing so. Actually, kind of surprised no business cards. Anyhow, that's my unpackaging. I'm super excited to be using these. We'll show you again. Go ahead and remove the safety thing off the oil. Give it a old snifferoo. Oh God, I love that scent. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get this stuff back in beard. I absolutely love Ruddy Man. I know I'm kind of spoiling the review, but I'm going to be giving you all the details in that review, so be looking out for it. And until next time, y'all, have a good one and live every day as an adventure.